Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to report a video on TikTok, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by opening the TikTok app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to report the video. Step 2. Once TikTok is open, locate the video you want to report. Look to the right side of the screen and tap on the share icon. It's shaped like an arrow pointing to the right. Step 3. A menu will pop up with various options. Scroll through the list and find the one labeled Report. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Next, you'll see a list of categories explaining why the video might be inappropriate. Carefully review the options and select the one that best describes the issue with the video. Step 5. After choosing the reason, confirm your report by tapping the Submit button. That's it. You've successfully reported the video, and TikTok will review your submission. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.